So yesterday I popped down to my local woodyard, Yandles. Anyone who's been to Yandles knows exactly how much fab stuff they sell and how tempting everything is. So this time I challenged myself to a £5 budget and raided their scraps bin. I found 3 good-sized offcuts, all with live edges, and my favourite one even had some moss still attached. The fools! They could have charged so much extra for the moss. Wahahaha! And after all that, I had change left over for some cheeky Abranet sanding sheets too. Once I had 2 parallel surfaces to work with, I took the blocks over to the mini bench sander and sanded off the angles. Now if you have a decent bandsaw you could probably cut some lovely curves into them, but my bandsaw is far from decent, so I just stuck with the bench sander. I used 2 sets of LED string lights. Now the battery packs needed to be recessed into the bottom of the lamp. Here I'm marking out the recess that I'll cut out with the router shortly. Oh, here he is. Yep, one of my Calibosauruses volunteered selflessly to measure the depth of the battery packs. This one just loves the camera. I tried using a small section of Gorilla Glue mounting tape to stick my block down to the bench while routing. It was surprisingly effective. I'm so much more confident using my router these days, but I'm still super respectful and the monster face reminds me to be so. I routed out the recess with a flat bottom straight bit and then tidied up the corners with a hammer and chisel. You can now buy boxes of light from Amazon. I just didn't expect it. I'm kidding, I just opened them and tested them. I found some fillable baubles on eBay. They come in glass or plastic if you're worried about tiny children with tiny fingers. Actually, maybe tiny children with big fingers would be more worrying. I selected a spade bit roughly the same size as the neck of the bauble and just began removing material. I periodically checked the fit of the bauble until I was happy with it. Here I use an 8mm drill bit to drill through the centre of the spade bit hole. This will allow the LED wires to pass through it later. Time now to hot glue in the bauble. Then I turned the entire lamp on its side and carefully fed both wires from the LED packs through the bauble. I then hot glue the wires in and secure the battery packs to the base. To finish, I'm coating the base with linseed oil. I should have done this before gluing the bauble in because it was really tricky to oil beneath it, but you could break the glue and re-stick it. So there you go. I've seen similar lights on YouTube. I think Lynn from the Darwin Auber channel made the first one I saw, but most of these lights are only made with square blocks of wood. I think the live edge offcuts are much prettier. Why not try one yourself? They light up any dark corner and to be honest they're really addictive. I've made 5 already. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.